Episode 1. The contraflow starts back in May, causing miles of traffic. Episode 2. Construction equipment breaks up the old road surface. Episode 3. The road surface has been completely removed. The project is showing real progress. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. And now episode 4, where the ground is being prepared for the new road surface. Miles of contraflow. Old versus new. £60 million spent. Spot any potholes yet? Only many more months to go. Thank you for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next.